free from the Maasai. The way we come, we go one time. Make I live my life and do shakara. Make I kick away from me. Bad vibes. Men body, they set up for much enjoyment. Men body, they ready for celebration. Waiting they want, them go quench. Them go quench. Waiting they want, trust them go fade. Them go fade. Make them talking. Make them.
are you? Just a minute. Django, how are you? You can see what we have here. Morning. Remember Ivo?
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look
Okay,
around.
take your time, then you come
Okay, thank you.
around. The
Yeah.
shop is big now. Take your time.
Yeah.
Anything you can pick, you can touch, you may ask and ask. Hakuna matata.
Okay, thank you.
Si mwanaume yako si mwanamke kama ni kibonge bracelet, give Kenya bracelets.
Sorry?
Give the bracelets Kenya
No, it's
one.
okay. Do you have postcards?
Postcard, yeah.
From Kenya.
Postcard, I have this one. This is this.
Ah, okay.
Thank you. Maybe you can check for yourself.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I check
Okay, thank
one
you.
by one.
These ones. So how much for one of these?
I'm sorry, you got this.
Yeah, the postcards in the end I don't want, but
Okay,
I do want.
You can check. I have everything. Many. Yeah, the shop is big.
Oh yes, but
Yeah,
I
you
think
can
I've decided that I only want the bracelet.
That's why I'm saying. Maybe
Yeah.
you can check here. Maybe you can get something different.
Yes, but I decided that I don't want the postcards.
bracelet?
I only
Okay,
want
okay, I
the
understand you. I
bracelet.
understand you now.
Yeah, it's okay.
So we have the bracelet like this ones.
Yeah.
Yes, so we have this kind. This type
I
one.
think. I think I like. Oh wait, these are
You have the
stretchy. Ah,
stretchy.
the elastic.
The elastic stretching. Yeah,
Okay.
stretching. Another stretching here. Yeah.
This is. Oh, but this one is not stretchy.
Yeah, these two
Okay.
stretching.
Yeah. I think I like this one.
Yeah, this one you can do like this.
Yes,
even
yes, exactly. I
it's
like
easy
that.
to nini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's easy to put.
Yeah.
So how much for this?
You want one? Or
I just want one.
if for the market price we sell it for this type 800 shillings. If you take 2, 3, you give this.
Okay, I think 800 shillings is a lot for one of these.
Yeah, no, I said 800.
800 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah, shillings. Yeah.
Shillings.
Yes.
Let me see how much that.